Welcome back to the Dream Cars, your favorite corner on YouTube where we bring you the best of innovation, design, and performance from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into a car that's quietly reshaping the electric vehicle landscape in India, the Mahindra eVerito 2026. Now, the eVerito has been around for a while. Mahindra launched it as one of India's earliest electric sedans. But in 2026, it gets a significant update, one that makes it more relevant, more refined, and more ready for the modern electric world. So, if you've been curious about affordable EVs with practical features, this one might just catch your attention. Let's talk about the design first. No, the eVerito won't turn every head on the road, it's not meant to. But Mahindra has made subtle changes in this 2026 version that give it a sleeker, more contemporary look. The front grille gets a closed-off EV-style finish with blue accents, and the headlights are sharper and more expressive. It still carries the basic silhouette of a traditional sedan, but with enough tweaks to remind you this isn't a fuel-powered vehicle. Step inside, and you'll notice where Mahindra has really made an effort. The cabin is better put together now. Soft touch materials on the dashboard, a larger infotainment screen with connected car tech, and a digital driver display give the interior a much-needed modern boost. You won't find luxury here, but you'll find comfort, simplicity, and utility. Features like climate control, navigation, USB-C charging, and app-based vehicle tracking are all included, something unheard of at this price point just a few years ago. But let's get to the real reason you'd consider the eVerito, its electric drivetrain. The 2026 model is powered by a 31 kWh lithium-ion battery pack paired with a 72V motor. That gives you around 140 to 160 kilometers of real-world range, which might not sound like a lot compared to global EVs, but remember, this car is made for urban commutes. For most city users, this range is more than enough for a couple of days of driving without needing a charge. Charging the eVerito is fairly straightforward. With a standard AC home charger, a full charge takes around 8 to 9 hours, making overnight charging ideal. But if you're near a DC fast charger, you can top up to 80% in about 90 minutes. That's not lightning fast, but again, for its price and segment, it's competitive. Performance-wise, the eVerito won't blow your socks off, but it handles city traffic well. Acceleration is smooth, torque is instant, as with all EVs, and the car feels silent and composed even at higher city speeds. Don't expect high-speed thrills, but for day-to-day driving, it's more than capable. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing potholes and bumps with ease, especially helpful on uneven Indian roads. Mahindra has also focused on safety. The 2026 eVerito now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body shell. It may not offer advanced driver assistance systems, but for the budget-conscious buyer, it covers the basics well. Now let's talk numbers. The Mahindra eVerito 2026 is priced around 11 rupees to 12 lakh rupees ex-showroom, depending on the variant and subsidies applicable in your state. It's one of the most affordable electric sedans in the country. If you're a fleet operator, a city commuter, or someone who wants to take their first step into the EV world, this car makes a strong case for itself. Running costs are low. Charging at home is far cheaper than refueling with petrol or diesel. And with fewer moving parts, maintenance costs are minimal. Over a few years, this translates into real savings, both for your wallet and the environment. Sure, the eVerito has its limitations. The range isn't massive, the design is modest, and you won't get a performance punch. But what you do get is reliability, affordability, and a simple, no-nonsense electric experience. And that's exactly what many Indian buyers are looking for. Mahindra's vision with the eVerito isn't about making the flashiest EV on the market. It's about accessibility. It's about putting electric mobility within reach of the average driver. And in a country where air pollution, fuel prices, and urban congestion are major issues, cars like the eVerito are more important than ever. So is the Mahindra eVerito 2026 a dream car? Maybe not in the traditional sense. But in its own quiet, practical way, it's helping shape the dream of a cleaner, more sustainable future, one commute at a time. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more insights into the future of cars, from luxury hypercars to budget EVs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dream Cars. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, dream big, and we'll see you in the next one.